This is the infinite money glitch. If you can pull this off, not only can it unlock millions of dollars, it gives you unlimited marketing budget. And we all know in this game, whoever can spend the most on marketing wins. So the infinite money glitch is, how do you create a product that can acquire a profitable first-time customer who is your ideal customer long-term? So let me give you an example. Let's say you're a sneaker reseller store and your average sale price is like $400. This is where you can spray so much money on Meta because it's really hard to get the attribution at that price because it's not an impulse purchase. So you've got to hit them a lot of times and you're not quite sure what's actually driving that eventual sale. And this can blow out your marketing spend, especially in today's world. But what about if you could have unlimited marketing spend? So where you need to start is think of who is your ideal customer long-term. For a sneaker reseller store, it's someone that is a sneakerhead, that collects sneakers, that loves the story and the art of it. Or the best one would be someone just starting to become a sneakerhead. And then you have to think, what's a product that I can sell that person that is an impulse purchase? So I would say under $100 AUD. Then you need to think of, what is the piece of content that could get that sale? Start there, and most importantly, the first 3 seconds, the hook. What is something you can say in that first 3 seconds that can grab their attention, call out exactly who that customer is, and then rope them in, you have a close and you can get a purchase. Say it's a way to display your sneakers or clean your sneakers or a UV protector. You come up with this product. Now let's say it's a $10 cost and you sell it for $50. So you've got $40 of gross profit margin there. You then go into Facebook ad account and you create the content to sell this product, but you do it on a cost cap. Say you can spend $35 to get a customer and set your budget, say $10,000 a day. And what Facebook will go out and do, as long as it can get a customer for $35 on average, it will spend up to that $10,000 per day. But the thing is, if you get that sale, you've already made $40 of GP margin. It's technically a profitable first customer. But once you've got them in and you've got your emails dialed and your SMS and they trust your brand, you have a way better shot of selling them the $400 pair of shoes. But this isn't the best part. The best part is, even if they don't buy anything, you've still made profit on the first customer, but as well, you've got to spend $35 of ad spend planting all those seeds with all those brand impressions to bring other potential customers in later. And as long as you can keep creating new and relevant content that can stick to that $35 cost cap, you have unlimited marketing budget, which I've seen this happen so many times and done it for myself. When you unlock this, it's like the most amazing flywheel, because all these seeds that are planted and then you're bringing in the customer, you're dialing SMS, email, you can get that repeat customer within 90 days as high as 40, 50% on a much higher purchase, where that purchase then cost you nothing. This is one of the most important things to remember in today's world, is whoever can spend the most on marketing wins. And if you set up and run this in parallel, you have unlimited marketing budget, and then you can just create more and more products. I've been helping a ton of different e-commerce and other retail businesses by just bringing in their accessories game. I think they don't know how much low-hanging fruit is in accessories, either in physical retail store, they're just the easy upsell add-ons where you can get really high 80, 90 margin, especially if you've got a really good staff training system to be able to show how to upsell it, but as well for these online players to get these infinite money glitch going. Now, I spent a lot of time sourcing products from China and doing the accessories and reverse engineering, but this can be a big distraction. I have some amazing suppliers that I'm happy to share where can do end-to-end and deliver you the product and your certain landed cost, and you can work out your margins and marketing and even do the ads off the sample so you can be sure there's that potential scale there. But don't neglect accessories. It can be 20, 25% of your business, but the highest margins that just attribute so much to your overall P&L. And then if you can add an infinite money glitch on top, it can literally be that inflection point of your flywheel that just gets you to grow exponentially. Hit me up on Instagram. Happy to share you more information and go a bit deeper into that exact playbook of the infinite money glitch.